Hey everyone, it's Jill from Today's Creative Food, and sometimes I come across beautiful photographs of beautifully decorated items that I've never seen before. And recently I saw something come through Pinterest of beautiful cupcakes that were designed with succulents in mind. Now, if you know what succulents are, they are beautiful things plants that grow normally in desert climates, and they don't require a lot of water. And I have quite a few, but my guy actually has quite a few, and I am creating some beautiful succulents made out of buttercream frosting. I'm going to show you how fun and simple these are, and I want you to try it too. All right, let's get started. So I've spooned out my creamy vanilla frosting that I bought at the store. Super simple. And I'm going to put this in the microwave for about 15 seconds so it softens up a little bit so I can dip them in, so it makes a nice clean layer for me to decorate on top. So as you can see, it's now nice and saucy, which is what I want. And I'm just going to add a little bit of color, not too much, because I am going to be decorating on top. And then we're going to dip these and make them really, really pretty. So just take my cupcake, dip it in, bring it up, swirl it around, and then you have a nice dipped cupcake. All right, I'm going to do that with all 24, and then we're ready to decorate. All the cupcakes are dipped. Now I'm just going to let them set for just a little bit, and then we're going to get started on decorating. So now that my cupcakes have set, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to divide my buttercream into two colors. I've got a turquoise color and a beautiful purple color. And I'm going to make a two-tone piping, so it's going to make some really beautiful succulent flowers. The easiest way to do two-tone is you just take a knife, and on one side you're going to put the frosting of one color, and then you take the other color and you just bring it on the other side, turn it around, and now fill it in like that. And then just kind of keep doing that till it fills all the way up to the top. Hold the cupcakes, what you do is you just take a cookie sheet, cover it with a plastic tablecloth, and just tape it onto the bottom, as you can see that I've done right here. I just folded it like I was going to wrap a present, and then now I'm ready to place all my cupcakes on.
Was there a problem?
Way more time.
Eat it. Just eat it.
Riker. Oh my goodness.